Alright, right now, as you can see, it's currently raining, but I'm gonna just do some flat ground right here. Let's get into it, guys. That probably wraps up the session right here. All right, time to go to the next stop. So there's a 4-stair nearby here. I kind of want to try. Maybe just an ollie or front 180, but we'll see. All right, I'm at the next spot right now. There's a good looking 4-stair right here. As you can see, not too big, and the run up is absolutely perfect. All right, I'm gonna try to hit this, and then I'll call it a day. Oh my, dude, I bailed on like the last second. Dude, that's crazy. Oh my god. Alright, that low-key took forever, but I'm gonna come back one day to probably front 180 this. But yeah, today's a wrap up of this session, and subscribe for more.